Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up and use VPN on any iPhone. Now, there are two methods to use VPN on your iPhone. For the first method, just open Safari and in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now from this list, make sure you select only L2TP/IPsec. Now once you select only this option, then tap on Refresh Server List. Now after that, from this list, just select the server with the least ping. Now for example, we will select this server. Now just copy the server address. Now just tap on copy. Now once you copy the server address, from here just go to your home screen and open settings. From here just go to general, and in general you will find the option of VPN and device management. Just tap on it, then tap on VPN. From here just tap on add VPN configuration. From here, first of all, just tap on type and select L2TP. Now once you select L2TP, then go back. Now in description, you can enter anything. You can even enter your own name. Just like that. Now in the server section, just paste the copied server address. Now in account, just type VPN in small letters. Also type VPN with small letters in the password section. And in secret, also type VPN in small letters. Now once you have done that, now just tap on done. As you can see, we have successfully created our own VPN. Now just select it, then enable VPN status. Now as you can see, it is currently connecting. And as you can see, it is now connected. And if you swipe down from the top right of the screen, from here, as you can see, we have successfully enabled VPN on our iPhone. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now from the App Store, you can download any VPN which you like. In the search bar, just search the name of the VPN. From here, just select the VPN which you like. Now for example, I will select this VPN. Now just tap on download to download the VPN. Then tap on open. From here, just select accept and continue and give this app these permissions. Now from here, just tap on proceed with ads. Then tap on continue. Now just select allow. Now to turn on the VPN, just tap on connect. Now just select allow. And from here, as you can see, it is connecting. Now as you can see, it is now connected. And if we swipe down from the top right of the screen, as you can see, we have successfully connected the VPN to our iPhone. And this is how you can set up and use VPN on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.